Hi there, and welcome to another episode of my healthy ideas and healthy tips from John Gruber here on my channel of Cooking with John Gruber. And I just want to say thank you for joining me. I'm doing something a little different once again on this particular episode, if we're going to call it an episode. So let me start off by telling you a story. This morning, I wanted to get a head start on some of my chores, so I decided to go to the grocery store. This was roughly around 7 o'clock in the morning, and I thought I'd beat the rush. I was going through my normal routine at the grocery store, just shopping the perimeter, really. And I noticed myself starting to feel hunger pains. Maybe not pains, but I was starting to feel hungry. Now, I haven't had breakfast, so maybe that was my fault, that I went to the grocery store hungry, or what I thought was hungry. I'm not sure, but there's one way that I'm able to double check. So at this point in the story, wasn't sure if I was hungry or not, but what I did was I dropped everything. Well, not drop, but I stopped shopping and I came straight home, and I'm gonna fix myself a snack so I can go back out to the grocery store and shop responsibly. So that's the moral of the story is don't go to the grocery store if you haven't had food. Another trick is to brush your teeth before going. I hear like the taste of mint kind of like subsides your initial hungers. So anyway, let's get started, and I will let's just get started making this little snack. Okay, so I gathered ingredients real quick. Took me nothing to put this together because I usually have some of this on hand, not always. I'm gonna cough. I don't know why I needed to do that. Anyway, so the best, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make like a turkey and cheese roll up on a tortilla. It's gonna be real quick. Instead of stopping at that store and getting those protein packs or whatever they're called with the like roll up in it, I'm gonna make my own. So I've got a tortilla. This is a 6-inch tortilla. It's not a very large tortilla shell. It's 80 calories a piece. I think I can handle that for a snack. Then I've got a 1 ounce slice of smoked Gouda cheese, and then I'm going to be doing 2 ounces of turkey. And this is just the deli turkey, not necessarily one of my favorite versions of turkey, but I haven't roasted a turkey lately. So this is what I'm going to be putting on this little roll up. And I am adding a little bit of mustard. You can add whatever you want. I'd say skip the mayonnaise. And in fact, even with this mustard, I'm only going to be using a little bit. I don't want the mustard to take over the flavor. Okay, so now I got everything layered together, and I'm just going to, move everything off to the side here and start rolling. And that's it. Okay, so this is my pre-grocery store snack. If I feel even hungry after this, I am gonna grab an apple, maybe do some sliced apple. If I had celery, I would have like celery with peanut butter on it. That's very good, very tasty, and has a little bit of that protein to it as well. But this will definitely get me through just my shopping experience. Plus, then I also know if I'm honestly, truly hungry, or if it was just some sort of weird craving or advertising that they were doing at the grocery store. So this little snack can't be more than, let's see, if I did 80, probably about 250 to 300 calories at most. It's not going to be very much, but it is going to be satisfying and keep my stomach full while I'm shopping. So thank you for joining me on this little snacky sort of episode. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Also, if you need some other ideas, email me, because every once in a while I get an email and I really like doing it. If you say, how do I cook this or whatnot, and I will help you through either like cooking techniques or even just how to make something just slightly healthier so you can get to where you want to physically and mentally and emotionally. So drop me an email. It's better than the comments below, but definitely comment if you like this video. Subscribe. I have a whole channel available of healthy tips as well as some plant-based recipes. And also go to my website at cookingwithjohngruber.com. I hope to see you next time. Thanks for joining me.